In a commercial setting, hot water isn't a luxury, it's essential for your daily operations. Choosing the right water heater can impact performance, efficiency, and operating costs. Gas water heaters are ideal for high-demand businesses like restaurants, hotels, and multi-unit properties. They heat water quickly and handle heavy usage with ease. Electric water heaters offer reliable performance with lower upfront costs and are often easier to install, making them a great option for facilities without gas access or for smaller operations. For improved efficiency, many businesses are turning to advanced systems. Heat pump water heaters use ambient air to significantly reduce energy consumption, helping them lower long-term operating costs. Power vent gas water heaters use a fan-assisted venting system, offering more flexible installation options in commercial spaces. For continuous performance, tankless water heaters deliver hot water on demand, reducing energy waste and providing an endless supply even during peak usage. No matter the size of your facility, professional installation and maintenance are critical. Roto-Rooter's licensed experts specialize in commercial water heater repair and replacement, delivering fast, reliable service when your business needs it most. For over 90 years, we've been America's trusted plumbing company.